Hello everyone, you're watching another video by Newton Abbey's 28. Today we're with
Oliver Murray,
aka You're Washed, Volpe, whatever you want to call him. We're just going to see a slightly delayed train here at Antrim today, and yeah, that's about it, to be honest. Very boring video, I know.
3.
2, yeah.
Fuck.
And you got Slur.
Hey, Slur!
A guy who's
We're
like...
getting absolutely hammered!
A guy who's 12 and he's got
We're getting
Slur.
absolutely hammered, mate!
Yeah, I know.
We're getting hammered.
See you when the train comes. Sensible guy waiting there.
I've never heard you like
This isn't how they actually sound, they're in night mode.
what? Yeah.
You know, night mode is like basically the alarm but quieter. Or on a different tone. Time is 13:54. We're waiting for our 13:47 expected 55 service to Derry London Derry, and it's 4:17. Nice.
It's actually why people here coming.
What?
The IRA stuff.
Yes.
It is.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Sure. See up where I live, there's like barely any criminal activity.
Neither actually no coming no duty did just die. Like seriously, in the middle of the road, some old farmer from Aldergrove did a full 180. Instead of using the free roundabouts in Main Street, did a full 180 at the same time schools were opening.
What was the point of that?
Did a full 180 and a woman got trapped underneath the car. She did.
Update
on the Slur, it's almost empty.
Yep. The Kearney brothers were here too. Huh?
Look how I can grip this. Seriously, that's comfortable. That's comfortable.
Yeah, that is.
Look at this.
The train is almost closed.
Tell them to one guy won't do it.
No, I'm not tone wanking.
Why?
I'm putting my hand up, but I'm not exactly doing the salute, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I just dropped it.
Did you beat your club?
Yeah. Right, it's about to leave here. And the Kearney brothers are left.
I'll get in the tone wank.
No.
Why?
No, it's us to do the tone wanking. This is how you do it. Like this. Come on.
Please.
No. Yeah, I think so. Oh. Why are you chugging the Slur? Oh, I need to lift this. Oh. Bro, stop chugging Slur.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.